Hello, hi, good morning, Lavanya, Prithvi. Hope you guys doing well and good. Please confirm once you're able to see my screen.
It's visible.
Thank you. Okay. In today's session, we'll try to understand a company profile. Okay. Let's assume we have a project called Psi Group of Companies. Okay. For this group of companies, we have three companies, which is Psi Automobiles Manufacturing Company. This company manufactures four-wheelers. Okay. Now, what type of four-wheelers will will identify later? Basically, we'll define at later point. We have one more company, Sai Motor Corporation Company, which is like two-wheelers manufacturing company. This one also same will define at later part. There is one more company, which is Sai Auto Parts and Service, which is kind of trading auto parts, which is loose spare parts. This is a kind of trading company. If any doubt with regards to this company, may ask any questions related to this company.
No.
Fine. Lavanya, will this be fine?
No, yes, fine.
Okay. Now, what will be the company structure? Hope you are able to see this. Enterprise, company code, subsidiary, production plant or factory, sales organization. Within this sales organization, we'll have a sales area, which will be combination of distribution channel, division, sales office, and sales group. There is, I will recorrect it this one, okay? Then we have warehouses and shipping point. Warehouses and shipping point. Now, let's define certain codes for our three companies. I'll take this Sai Motor Corporation company. Okay. I'll try to make this as 9200 company code. Production plant, I'll try to make this as 9200. Same sales function 9200. Distribution channel, I'll make this as 92. This distribution channel, we can have wholesale, retail, direct sales. We can have multiple distribution channels. Okay. As of now, I'll try to make only one distribution channel as 92. Same as 92 for division. We can have division is nothing but line of products. Then sales office 9200. Sales group 921. Or else we can make this as 920. Storage location 9200. And shipping point 9200. I'm making these unique codes in order to identify the particular company code. The remaining two companies like Sai Automobiles and Sai Auto Parts. Either of each one will take one company code. Means I'll try to configure this organization unit in the system. The same you can do it from your side for the remaining two company codes. Each one with Lavanya, one with Prithvi. Is this codes fine for you, or do I need to make any changes? Not to understand.
Yes.
Prithvi?
Can you tell me differentiation in this means a company code and sales org? You are given the same codes. Can you tell me difference?
Fine.
In difference is there in this company code and production plant or sales organization?
Yes. This is ERP structure. Okay. In this ERP structure, each unit, each organization will be identified with a particular reference. Like production plant is different. Sales organization is related to the sales. Production plant is related to the logistics general. Storage location is purely related to this factory production plant. This storage location will be closely integrated with production plant. Okay, let me show you a flow chart. Okay, hope you are able to see my screen now. Here in this flow chart, we can see we have one company code. Within this company, we have three companies. Like I said, here we can have multiple company codes. Then for each company code, there will be a dedicated sales organization. For this one company, we have three sales organizations. One sales organization could be at Chennai, one sales organization could be at Bangalore, another sales organization could be at Vizag, likewise, for one company code. So here what I did is I have made one company. For one company, I made only one sales organization, which is at Chennai. If I want to make one more company code, I can make this as 9210. This sales organization could be at Kerala. I can make one more company code as 9220. This sales organization could be at Chennai. Likewise, we can have multiple sales organization based on the geographical locations. Similarly, for the another company also, we can have multiple sales organization, multiple distribution channels, multiple division. Likewise, here we can have multiple distribution channel for the same sales organization. We can have multiple divisions for the same sales organization. Likewise. Hope you are able to follow. If any doubt still, please let me know. Instead of going this multiple units, I'm going only with the single unit, means single distribution channel, single division, single sales organization. Here in the flow chart, we can see for one company, there are three sales organizations, right? So I'm skipping this two sales organization. I'm considering only one sales organization, one distribution channel, one division. Hope it's clear now, Pradvi.
Yeah. Can you tell me the real life example for this? Suppose our Geo network is there. Can you
Okay.
take the example and can you clearly tell it about it?
Okay. Shall we go with the automobile section or again Geo?
No, I'm not telling. I'm just comparing because real life we are having visibly no. So that I'm asking about.
Fine. We'll do one thing. Yeah. Let's continue this. Okay.
Yeah,
And
I will continue, but I didn't got the clarity about company code and sales organization. Sales organization is a real, uh, um, uh, real place means is a physical location or any
fine.
other.
Okay.
I'm
Fine.
not
Okay.
getting the
Okay.
clarity about it.
Fine. No problem. Okay. Let's assume we have a company, Sai Motor Corporation company at Chennai. Fine. This company is located at Chennai. Now, this SMCC, they are having sales organization in Hyderabad and Chennai. Okay. I'll add up one more sales organization as 9210. One at Chennai, another one at Hyderabad. Sales organization. Now we have two sales organizations. One in Hyderabad, then another one in Chennai. This is clear? This sales organization.
Yes.
Okay. Now, whenever a sales happening in Hyderabad, okay, head office is at Chennai. Let's assume head office is Chennai. So, whenever a sales is happening in Hyderabad sales region, whenever a customer makes a payment in the Hyderabad sales organization, to which finance department it will reflect? Okay. What are all sales happening in Hyderabad for that particular region? What are what are all sales happen on a particular day, a week, or a month? Where will be the finance report will reflect into the Chennai head office, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now there is a company code. In the company will be having finance and accounting, which is balance sheet, journal entry, likewise. This financial accounting entry will be closely integrated with sales org unit. Now, what are all sales? It's been happening. The financial report will reflect to the particular company code, which is financial accounting entry, journal entry, balance sheet, receivables, payables, everything will be to this company code. Still confusion? No clarity?
No. It's clarity now.
Is clear?
Yeah.
Shall we continue?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how are we going to define these units into the system? Shall we go with the execution process or
Once explain here, and after that, we will go to the execution process.
okay, we'll do one thing. Okay. You need theoretical, right? To understand in a better way.
Yeah. First of all, we better to go in theoretical. After that, we can go to the explanation again.
Fine. Okay, give me a minute, please. Let me check once again. Okay, sales organization is the topmost organization unit in the sales and distribution model. The sales organization is responsible for all the activities or services that will happen in the client company. The sales organization used to distribute products and services. Is this fine? Then, sales organization can be used as a selection criteria for listing of sales document as well as for creating delivery and billing worklist. User can define different outputs for the sales and billing document for sales organization. Sales organization should assign to one company code where the company code can have multiple sales organization assigned. Sales organization can be assigned to one or more plant, or more multiple sales can be assigned to one plant. What are all financial transactions that will be happening for a particular sales organization that needs to be assigned to the company code, which is a financial accounting entries. Now coming to the company, here define company code, right? We can see here, let me show you. Okay, company code is the smallest organization unit used to represent the company for a external accounting. Okay, a company can include either one or more company codes. The company business transactions for financial accounting are entered, saved, and evaluated at the company code level. For all organization units that will be calculated at the company code level. Independent company can be created with one company code in the SAP system. The company code organization unit definition is optional. At least one company code must be defined for implementing the financial accounting component. A company code could be separate but not independent commercial place of work. To manage the accounting for several independent companies simultaneously, several company codes can be set up in one client. Okay? At least one company code must be set up for each client. We'll be creating one company code, and this company code will be assigned to one company. Let's skip this company as of now. Let's focus on one financial accounting, which is company code. Let's see this graph here. We have one company code. What are all transactions that will be happening for a particular unit that will be replicated to this financial entries? Still confusion?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay. Let's skip this step. We'll try to execute into the system. Will this be fine for you?
Okay, continue.
Thank you. Now, here, this is the SAP GUI screen. I'll go for the SPRO transaction code, IMG reference here. If we see here, enterprise structure, okay, I believe a company cannot be built on a single unit like sales organization. Sales organization is a single unit. Is it possible that we can have single sales organization in a company? No. So if we see here enterprise structure in a business operation, we will be having financial area, controlling area, logistics general area, sales area, service, material management, execution, plant maintenance, and HR. Now, all these organization units with whom it's being controlled, any idea? There has to be one single node, right, to control all these operations, logistics operation, sales operation, service operation. Who will be handling all these operations at a single node?
The client will operate, I think.
Yes, client, obviously the client will happen. But where is the single node? The single node is here. Edit, copy, delete, check, company code. This is the one of the untitled company wherein we will be having controlling for all these units. Like for example, now in this production plant, what are all raw materials we required? Who will pay? Financial accounting. Who will pay this? For this resources, raw material, machinery. Who will take care about this? Operation cost.
Financial department.
Yes. So if we see here graph, this is the company code. Okay. Now let's move on to this one more area. This warehouse, finished goods. Okay. What are all manufacturing products which is been successfully finished? It will be transferred to the warehouse, which is inventory. Now, what are all inventory that will be having into these warehouses that will be reported to the company code here. What are all warehouses that we have into this inventory that will be reported or taken care by the company code? This is the second unit. Now we have one more unit, shipping point. What are all deliveries that will be taken care whenever we sell or whenever we deliver a product to the customer for that particular delivery or particular item, there will be invoice, right? Who will create invoice? Accounting department, finance department. So this company code is the single node to control all the operational. If you have still doubts, no problem. We'll try to find any other ways to understand this flow chart and this process flow. Financial accounting. Prithvi?
No, it's clear.
No, that's clear. Okay. No. Okay. Now, in order to define or in order to configure an organization unit into the system, we'll consider a single company. Sorry, I'll consider a company as Sai Motor Corporation. I'll try to define a financial accounting, a production plant, a sales unit, storage location, and shipping point. I'll try to make one structure. You guys can have another structure with 9100 series, and Lavanya, you can have 9300 series. Okay, let's dive into this execution part. ERP structure. /n will be the new screen. SPRO is the transaction code for the customization of a project. Reference IMG. We can see here enterprise structure, which is base or foundation for the configuration. We can see here three areas. First, we need to define, then assign. Assigning is nothing but integrating financial, logistic execution, material management, and production plant, integrating organization units with each other. Okay, let's first dive into the sales and distribution. Click on to this node. Let's define a sales organization. Click on to this execution. Define sales organization. Okay. I'll select this 111. I'll copy and I'll try to make this sales organization as 9200. And I'll make this as Sai Motors Corporation. Description and currency will be Indian currency. Enter. Enter. Here I'll make this as company. Okay. Sai Motors Corporation Company. I'll make this as 2W, two-wheeler manufacturing. State 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. City code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll make this as a Chennai based. Country, region, okay, this help option is not available. I'll make this as 01. Basically, it should be Tamil Nadu. Okay, I'll make this as 01. Then PO box code. This is our optional fields. Okay, continue.
You are giving the physical location address?
Yes, as Chennai. Select it.
Okay.
Go to the details. Here, I'm making this as postal code as Chennai, India, and region, Andhra Pradesh. And let's make 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's keep this as 01 because I'm not able to get the help option. Enter and save it. Here, whenever we make a configuration, the system will throw a window. The customization that we have made, we need to ensure with proper TR number. Here in the sales and distribution, I have defined a sales org as 9200. Okay, I'll copy this TR number and I'll save it into the system. Okay, so whenever we are into the real-time project, we need to give this to concern basis team or administration team so that they will make a transfer of this from quality or development to the production. They will ask the TR number. Okay, we'll come to this at later part. I'll save this. Okay, we have made a one sales organization. Now let's define a distribution channel. Execute, define distribution channel. I'll make this a common distribution channel. We can have direct sales, wholesale, retail, likewise. I'll make a new one as 92 Sai Motors Corporation Company distribution channel. As of now, we can have multiple distribution channels. As of now, I'm making only one. And save it. I'll make one more TRS. This is for distribution channel. In the sales and distribution, we have defined a distribution channel for Sai Motors Corporation Company. And this is the another TR number request, transport request. Save it. Go back. Let's define sales office and sales group. New entries. I'll make office as 9200. Sales office, Chennai. Sai Motors Corporation Company. We are done with the sales office. Let's save this and we can have this TR number. Okay. Let's maintain a sales group. I believe you are aware about this sales group, right? In an office, we can have a particular groups. A group will be looking for laptop sales. Another group will be looking for the sales group likewise. Okay. But here I'll try to maintain only one group as 921 as Sai Motors Corporation group. Save it. I'll make this as in the sales and distribution we have defined here sales group. Okay. Now as a sales consultant, we are done with the definition part for the sales area. Now, how about this logistics center, finance, services, logistic execution, and plant? So, in order to have this integration, we need to define by ourselves. Okay. Now, I'll go to this logistics general. I'll try to define a plant here. In our structure, we have factory, right? We have this production plant. I'll make this as production plant 9200. Okay. This is the plant. We have sales organization, distribution channel, division. We'll come to this sales organization, distribution channel, sales office, and sales office. We are done with the sales definition. Now, this production plant will be taken care by the PP consultant or consultant, logistics center. Okay. Let's define plant. Copy, delete, check plant. Execute. Check, delete plant. Sorry. Define plant for cross system flow. Sorry. This one, define plant. Okay. Second option. Click onto this execute. Select it. Copy as. I'll make this as plant 9200. Production plant for Sai Motors Corporation Company, which is at Chennai. Enter. Company SMCC production plant. City. Enter. Now let's try to save this production plant. Here, the another consultant, the concerned consultant, which is for PPLG Logistics General, they will save this as their TR production plant for SMCC. The same production, the same consultant will define division also, because in the plant we'll be manufacturing a line of products, laptops, mobiles, likewise. Here, in our case, we have four-wheelers. We have four-wheelers like hatchback, sedan, and SUVs. Sedan and SUVs. Let's define copy, delete, check division. Copy, define division. Okay, I'll try to make only one division. Okay, let's keep as of now a single division. New entries, division will be 9 to SMCC division. Sales and distribution, sorry, logistics general. Here we have division as so. Here we are done with the logistics general, basically the logistic general consultant. Okay, now coming to the finance. Okay, the consultant will be creating all this company, credit control, business function, business area, functional area, everything. But the least we can do is, in order to have our integration or process flow, we need to define a single company code. This one, a company code. We have done sales function, plant, and we'll try now company code and make a single company as 9200. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit company code. I'll select this standard one, 1000, and I'll copy. I'll make this company as 9200. Enter. Okay. We'll reconnect with the same meeting link, please.